God is saying to you today, keep moving forward and don't look back. That is what the enemy wants you to do. Your future is going to be far together than your past. Your past was just preparation for your future. I am with you, and as you move forward, you will see that things are much better just ahead. Remember, God is the author of life. He is the reason why certain things happen. He holds your future. He knows when. He knows why. He knows you perfectly. He made you, so when your life is all messed up and things get too heavy to carry, trust Him. He makes all things beautiful in His time. Everything you've been waiting for is going to happen for you all of a sudden. All the disappointments, the challenges, the struggles, the ups and downs will finally make sense. You will be thankful you didn't give up. Great blessings are coming your way. Believe it, trust God, and be ready to receive it. Today, I have heard your prayers. I have felt your anxiety, the anguish, the confusion, and your pain. I see the tears you shed. For every teardrop, for every sleepless night, I have a blessing for you. Blessings, solutions, and divine favor are coming your way. Remember, my child, weeping may last for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Satan wants you to destroy your happiness, your peace, joy, but God is going to bless you. Remember, God is in control. He works in mysterious ways, and when He decides to bless you, no devil in hell can stop it. Stop worrying. God has a special plan for you. You will receive your blessing before the end of this month. You have been through enough, and your breakthroughs is on the way. Type Amen if you agree. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.
God says it's the beginning of a new month full of opportunities, a new month of blessings, and a new month of problems in which I will be here to get you through them. I love you. God says, I want you to stop being negative. Stop bringing yourself down. Stop devaluing yourself. You are a champion. I love you. God says, I know what you are going through, and I will give you the strength to overcome. When negative thoughts come, turn to me, and I will give you peace of mind and heart. Don't listen to the negative opinions of others. When people put you down, I will pick you up. I love you. First January won't be a normal. God will surprise you with direct deposits, which is why you will be a blessing to others. My child, turn your life around right now. There is still time. I know that you want to change and to be a better person. It is possible right now. I love you. Change is coming. 2023 will be the year of financial freedom. Money will come to you like water God says, I have already forgiven you the moment you felt bad for what you did and asked for forgiveness. Stop giving a lie to the sin that I have forgiven. It is time to forgive yourself. I love you. Something is coming into your life that will change everything in a very positive way for you. God is planning something good for you. It may be job, it may be marriage, or it may be breakthrough. Just claim it. Receive it. In the next 12 hours, you will receive great happiness in the form of money, love, and abundance. God says, stop complaining, stop overthinking. You are stressing yourself too much. Instead, you should be trusting me. Where is your trust in me? I love you. I won't let you down. God says, everything you do it with your best effort. You represent me. I have chosen you. Now, let's go and make a change in this world. I love you. God says, I have never left you alone. I have always been here. Maybe sometimes you feel like I am far away, but that is only because you don't choose me all the time. I am always here by your side. God says, I will heal you. I will make the impossible possible in your life. Don't give up your faith in me. I love you. God says, I want a relationship with you. I desire a deep connection. Talk to me. Like I am your best friend, you are my best friend. I love you. God says, my child, I am always with you. Don't cry for anything. Everything is working on your favor. Believe me. Very soon, you will be promoted to a massively good place for you. You will experience so much happiness that everyone around you will be filled with joy and faith. Be receptive, be ready.